everyone, I just wanted to come on one more time today to kind of show you how I just finished the day with more cards, more cards, more cards. I did take a break. What did I do? It's been raining all day, I tell you. So I took a break. I think I ran an errand. I think I went grocery shopping, or maybe I did that prior, after I came from the doctor. And then I started watching my favorite sports show. I love UFC fights, so I started watching them from about 3 till 8. And then I said, let me go back upstairs because I just don't like leaving my projects undone. And I may not be able to get up here tomorrow because tomorrow I typically spend the day cleaning, and tomorrow I have to dye my hair and I have to wash clothes. Anyway, but I wanted to come on and show you that I made some more of these inside out cards, and the paper pad that I used is another one that I picked up at Tuesday morning. It is called It's a Celebration. It's by Cartabella. It too is double-sided, which is great. Yeah, it was a Tuesday morning find. And with 24 sheets, this paper pad is going real fast because I use about 4 sheets when I'm making the inside out card. So let me just quickly show you the 4 that I made. And this paper pad, the colors are a little more deeper than Party Time. You know, they have some mustards, navy blues, some of the deeper red. Some of the patterns are a little more busier, which is fine because they almost have a masculine look to them. Which will be great if I have some male birthday people that I'm giving cards to. So I won't take them out the plastic, but I'll just show you. They're kind of just the same, where the envelope is on the outside, and that's what steals the show. And I did use some enamel dots and things like that. The stickers are from the sticker sheet that I mentioned that I purchased over at Hobby Lobby. This sheet here. And I'm going to wait before I put the alpha or number stickers on them because I need to know who I'm giving it to and their age, because I think that is so fun. And, you know, inside, again, I have a Project Life card, and I will be putting a gift card in here. You know, maybe a Starbucks gift card or a McDonald's gift card. Again, I'm thinking younger people birthday, and if it's some of my older friends, that's fine too. I mean, you can get a gift card just about anywhere. You know, anywhere, any place, any kind of card. So that was one. This one here has a darker envelope, right? And again, some enamel dots and some twine. So I'm really getting to use a lot of extra things that I have in my drawers in here. And then there is that one there, and the envelope is numbers all over it, and the stickers. So so I'm good with birthday inside out gift card birthday cards. So then I had so many scraps left over, and I got a card a couple weeks ago from a new subby. Her name is Danny. She's over at PopFizzPaper. Hi, Danny, if you're watching. And Danny created this card, and she does have a tutorial on it, and I will link it in my video so that you can go see how she made it. So I got to thinking, with all the scraps from the 2 paper pads that I use, why don't I try and make 2 cards? So again, this was another easy card to make. So here is the card from the scraps from Party Time. Make sure I got the right one here. I had that many scraps. Basically, you start with the card this way so that you can line them up like this. And you can see where I slid in a couple of the stickers. It's your day. Celebrate opening presents, right? It kind of is like what a card would say. And Danny also had shared with me in a pocket letter, she had given me 3 of these wooden stars and a little pack of these gems. I think I still have some right here. So I have one more star left. It says way to go. That would be cute for like a congratulating somebody for something. And then here are the little pack of gems, and these were in the pocket letter. So I used them 3 different spots, and again some more Teresa Collins hearts and stars. And then on the inside I just used one of those Project Life. Actually these are not Project Life, they are the Simple Stories cards that I've been using, and these are the 4x4s. So, you know, they have all kinds of sentiments for birthday, celebration. So what I did was use a punch and kind of made the edge look a little nicer than just plain square. And this is the punch that I'm using, and I got this, not a garage sale. I picked it up at a thrift store maybe. I bought 2 of them, and I like the way they punch. They're really nice and easy to punch. So that made the inside of this card very easy to create. So that was one of them. It's such a good idea if you have scraps left over, and I did, from making all of these cards, to do something like this. So this came from the Party Time collection, and then from the It's a Celebration collection, here is that card. And this one here, best day ever. Smile, eat cake, have fun. Again, so it kind of speaks the outside of the card versus what's on the inside. And then I used a 4x4 card. Inside says happy birthday. Really easy. Danny, this is such a great idea. Thank you so much. It allows us to not have a lot of 6x6 paper pad with scraps on the inside, which drives me crazy because I don't want to get rid of stuff. And you know, we are in that mindset, at least I am, where, you know, I need to go through it and then use it, and then what's left over is either donate or throw away, just so I don't have a bunch of little scraps from different paper pads left over. So that's all I have for you today, you guys. It was a good day. It was a productive weekend for me, using Friday and Saturday to craft. And like I said, tomorrow is all about the other things that I have to do. But next week, there's, you know, another weekend where I can get in here and make some more things, and probably need to start working on some graduation stuff so I can get on top of that. And I'm also going to be creating a money lay, graduation lay for my daughter. So I will definitely maybe kind of, you know, do that while like live, so that you can see me make it. And I'm just going to use a simple pattern that I saw, a simple way of doing it. I saw something on YouTube, and I'll have all the bills and I'll have the paper, and we will just put it together. So thanks again. Have a wonderful night. If I don't talk to you guys this weekend, I'm sure we will talk again next week. Bye for now.